Hi guys, this is Starla. You caught me meal prepping. I'm just getting ready to make my lunches for the week. I always meal prep my lunches, and reason being is, for one, if I don't take my lunches, I end up trying to find something at the hospital or trying to head down the hill real quick to grab a bite, and what I find is usually one, too expensive, two, it ends up being not a good choice, because usually I'm pretty hungry at that time, so I don't make good choices, and it doesn't keep me on the diet plan that I'm trying to follow. I follow a calorie restricted diet, just keeping track of my calories each day, and this is a good way to help balance out and get a healthy diet. For you individually, it's important to take some time and research what is the best calorie intake for you and what's going to be the best diet for you to follow. The USDA has a great website that's got a very healthy, nutritious diet program that I recommend. It's called My Plate, and it can be a really good start to determine what is the best meal program for you, because everybody is individual and not everybody can follow the same program.
So today we are prepping baked chicken and preparing side salads to go with it. I've seasoned the breast with black pepper, seasoned salt, and garlic powder. While these are baking, I prepare all the fresh veggies for the salad. The chicken breasts turn out very moist and tender with a great flavor. I use 2 compartment containers, which I place 2 ounces of chicken breast and about 2 cups of salad in each box, and each are under 200 calories and are really a very satisfying as well as healthy lunch. As always, I will appreciate you watching. Check out the website at 307 Midwife for more information about meal prepping. Have a great day.